In today's world where we are constantly on the go, where we are constantly busy, it's very easy to neglect our health and wellness. And we all are doing it. But taking care of ourselves should be a priority. It should be a priority. So in this today's video, I will explore some of the important healthy habits and wellness routine which I follow in my life. If you use that and incorporate into your life, you will be healthy and you can be happy. So let's start with it. So first and foremost, let's talk about the benefits of healthy habits and wellness routine. We all know that there are healthy habits, there is a wellness routine, and we should follow that. And by taking care of our body, our mind, we can improve our overall well-being, we can increase our energy level, we can reduce the stress and anxiety in our life, and we can even prevent many chronic diseases. Healthy habits and wellness routine can include physical exercise, nutrition, sleep, meditation, and self-care practices. Out of these practices, how many you follow in your life? How much you take care of your well-being, how much you take care of your health, and how much you are focused on healthy habits. I don't know whether you follow or not, but let's see these activities, these habits one by one. So let's start with the physical exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining good health. It is not only help us to maintain a healthy weight, but it can actually improve our cardiovascular health. It can strengthen our bones, it can strengthen our muscles, and it will reduce the risk of many chronic diseases. If you incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, it can be very effective in your life. It doesn't have to be very complicated. It can be as simple as taking a walk, practicing yoga, going for a swing. You can do any activity, any physical activity, any sort of physical activity that you can stick with, that you can enjoy. So just incorporate one simple physical activity at least 4 to 5 times every week, and that will help you to change your life. Next important thing is nutrition, and this is very important. Eating balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein can provide our body with nutrition that body required, not fast food. Our body doesn't ask for fast food, our body is asking for the nutrition. Your tongue is asking for the fast food. Your tongue is asking for the tasty food which is unhealthy, which is completely unhealthy. If you avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, it can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart diseases, and many diseases which are related to this type of food. It's important to plan our meals in advance so that you can avoid skipping meals or you can avoid going out for food. Unhealthy snacking and overeating can be avoided if you plan your food prior. If you don't, you are gonna go binge eating or eat something that you see, and you will mess up with your nutrition and your health. So let's take care of your nutrition. Now let's talk about sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. But the problem is we do not have a circadian rhythm. We do not follow circadian rhythm. Sleeping will not only help us to feel more alert and energized, but actually it will help to improve memory, concentration, and overall mood. Creating a bedtime routine that includes winding down activities such as reading and taking a warm bath, not just taking a phone and scrolling down until midnight. These activities, winding down activities, can help us to relax, help our body to relax and prepare us for good night's sleep. So stop using mobile phones on the bed and follow the circadian rhythm and take enough sleep to recharge your brain and to make your brain more creative. Next important component of practicing well-being and healthy habit is meditation. It is another component of wellness routine. Practicing mindfulness meditation can help us to reduce stress and anxiety, and it also help us to improve our mood, improve our focus, and improve our productivity. Because while working something, if you are focused on that task, you will be doing that task only. You won't be doing multitasking, and that's why you can improve your productivity. It also helps us to clear our mind, and these small things can make a big difference in our overall well-being. Whenever I practice something, whenever I work in the evening or in the morning time, I will be focused on only one task and I keep my phone away. I know that what I will be doing, and that's why I can work on that particular task and finish it in particular time. If you want to improve your productivity, if you want to improve your overall well-being, meditation is the key. It will help you to reduce the stress also. So practice at least 10 minutes every single day, like I do every single day, just 10 minutes. That's it. It doesn't require much time. You can switch on the YouTube, put there, type there, guided meditation and start. It will help you to just relax your mind, clear your thoughts, and it will help you to improve your overall well-being. Now let's talk about the self-care practices. We have seen the physical exercise, nutrition, then meditation, but also it is important to you take care of yourself. Now it is also important, or it is also essential part of overall well-being. It can be when it comes to self-care, taking self-care, it can be taking a bubble bath, going for a sauna bath, or reading a book, having a cup of coffee or tea, or just listening to the music or going for a walk. Whatever it is that makes you good, that makes you grateful, or just sleeping for an hour. Whatever it is, just do it, because that is important. Make it a part. Schedule self-care time, schedule self-care activity. Every single week, for myself, I keep at least 2 to 3 hours on Sunday for self-care routine. I do whatever I feel like to do. I make a cup of coffee, I watch movie, I read a book, or simply I just take a nap, or I call my friend. Whatever it is, just do what makes you happy, or whatever your mood is at that particular time. But make it a part of your everyday life, or you can make it a part of your weekly life. Routine it, schedule it, and you will enjoy it. Incorporating healthy habits and well-being routine into your daily lives may seem challenging. It may seem difficult for you, but it's important to remember that every small steps count. Every small step count. We can start by making small changes in our everyday routine, such as taking the stairs instead of taking elevator. Don't wait for the elevator, take the stairs. It doesn't take much time. Or you can pack your healthy lunch, or you can practice deep breathing, or do deep breathing exercise during breaks. Over time, these small changes, breathing exercise, taking the steps, these small changes actually can add up and leads to big improvement. That will help you to improve your overall well-being. Healthy habits and wellness routine are essential for our overall well-being. By incorporating physical exercise, nutrition, taking care of your sleep, doing 10 minutes meditation and self-care practices into your daily lives or weekly lives can help you to improve your energy level, reduce the stress, reduce the anxiety, and prevent you from chronic diseases. Remember that every small step counts. So start today and make your health and wellness as a priority. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button, subscribe to Top 5% Club. Until next time my friends, start today for better tomorrow and take action now and be legendary.